Can you imagine that there's one single point of failure? Almost every app that I've encountered was doing wrong. The Google Play Store and the Apple App Stores are both stating that 50% of all their traffic is coming from search, meaning it is organic traffic. And how we actually take advantage of that traffic is by using ASO, App Store Optimization. Wherever your traffic is coming from Facebook, from Instagram, they always arrive at your app product landing page. At the end, you want to have happy users. So if you want to maximize the potential to getting those users, you have to optimize your assets. How you actually do the step everybody else forgets, which is market research. How you do keyword research and find the keywords others are missing out on. How you do conversion rate optimization and how you put this actually together and make it actionable so that you can set yourself up for success in the app space.